Can we prevent a disease? Like most of the diseases are chronic or hereditary also.
Yeah. Yes, that is the long-term vision of people like me, that this whole humanity should enjoy better health. If we have good understanding of health, if we have good understanding of love, stress is the one of the most common causative factor. Name any disease and you will find stress is the causative factor of this disease. So if we can reduce the stress, then disease will be impossible in our body as well as in the whole humanity. So on the prevention level, we have to make ourselves more happier, more peaceful by practice of meditation and by learning about spiritual laws, spiritual principle, how evolution happens, how we can understand the purpose of life, why one has I have taken the birth. If we understand these things, if we practice it consciously, then we are bound to enjoy bliss. So for prevention point of view, practice of meditation, sitting meditation on daily basis is essential. Daily 40 minutes to 1 hour one should meditate, and one can combine meditation before sleep, 5 to 10 minutes or more, then quality of sleep will become better. Sleep has very important role in health. If sleep is proper, then we are fresh in the morning, we feel energetic. If sleep gets disturbed somehow, then we are not energetic in the morning time. So our sleep quality should be at the highest quality. Adding meditation before sleep and having a fixed time for sleep is good for improving quality of sleep. Food, we have to take prana rich food, those food which is coming from the plant and it is a fresh seasonal fruits, seasonal vegetable, that has more amount of prana. Whenever any food packed gets packed in a plastic or in any packet, then the prana gets starts reducing. We may satisfy our hunger, but since it has very less prana, it doesn't give much nutrition to our pranamaya kosha. We don't eat only for physical body, we have to nourish our energy body. The prana content of our food reaches to our energy body. Physical body and energy bodies are deeply interconnected. We have to keep conscious attention on effect of our lifestyle, of our food, whatever we are doing, whatever we are speaking on the our energy body. If you are living unconscious life, then disease will come. If you are living conscious life, conscious of our routine on our energy body, then health is possible. And I hope in few decades whole humanity will be more healthier, more better.
That's
Child will born without disease, and throughout 100 years, 120 years, one can live life without a single disease. I am very hopeful for that.
that's very profound, Ranjan. You have emphasize the importance of meditation, plant-rich food, and awareness of all the five bodies. It's not that we are eating just for the physical body, but we also eat for the other bodies also. So going forward, we are looking for even specific knowledge on each of the diseases, also how it could be treated holistically in a spiritual way without going for the medicines or any kind of medical help as such. We are definitely looking for those sessions from you, Ranjan. Thank you so much for your wonderful knowledge and sharing with us.